guys, let's just unpack on Izingane Zesithembu season 4 episode 1 and 2. 1 I won't do much. I'll just concentrate on 2. Yeah, umpumelelo ke kwenza sense ukuthi why Amahle uNdlunkulu ngoba naye umpumelelo nalesithembu sakhe esincane. I'm just like, what's going on there? But sizokwenza njani ufunda kubabakhe naye into azoyenza. So Amahle ke keeps her life private, guys, to a point where I also didn't know she has a son. I was like, I was uyifihli. I think that is why ke bemthanda ke mhlambe ethanda umpumelelo ke, and then they take it seriously as a first wife. Bese kuzoba ke indaba kaMacele ke ethi ufuna ama-DNA. Ngapha it turns out ngathi kugosebenza like, hi abonje guys, so concentrate ku episode 2 ke kodwa today. Ngaleso sikhathi uLwandle is like, lalela baby mama wami lo guys, ayibo oLwandle nje bavele banjiswe into abangazazi. I'm just like, I don't want to judge. Uma wengane kaLwandle kwagcina emtshela ukuthi lalela, you need to step it up as a man, ungalweli ngitshela ngamaCele wakho, ingane yakho or ngiyona yakho, asenzeni i-DNA. I was just like, amanye ama-girls la ngaphandle awazirobi. But I mean, if you know, mina always say ukuthi umama uyena wazi ingane, guys. This is what it is. Lana ku episode 2 ke nangoku uTerelo uyabuya kusuzoba umfazi wokuqala instead of Amahle. I'm just like, you know what, the drama here, guys, is in another level. Izingane Zesithembu. So umpumelelo ube just had a meeting with his dad. Musamseli, we just telling him ukuthi, you know what, ngifuna ukulobola uTerelo, but manje ebatswaneni abafuna half wamalobolo, bafuna full. And I just feel like uKagiso le boyfriend kaSnehi ngoba noSnehi naye uyajola, guys, could have been a better father for the child. He loves children, lo muntu uyambona, you know. Then ubaba umntwana lo kuthiwa ubaba umntwana who was called at some stage, but nje he was just funny on the phone. I'm just like, why? Like kuboda leyo, although bethu uKagiso abanyake they feel like uKagiso ngathi unqambile. Guys, I don't even want to dwell on that one. Also bese kuzoba ilento kaMpilo, it's back again the thing. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi nakuThando Nesithembu savala ngayo the last season, season 9, ukuthi uMpilo unida ukuthi ashintshwe isibongo abe wakamSeleki enzele izinto eziright, amasiko akhona and stuff from the Zungu family yakuboma wakhe. That's not happening. And so it's Makhumalo's problem now. I'm just like, I get it ukuthi she's been raising her in a way, but naye unoma wakhe yini abakubomama uma waka baMpilo angafonela uMseleki athi, bra please, it's been too long, can we do this thing now? It's overdue, you know. I just don't get that thing though. Even Nagum season 9, the last time me on Thando Nesithembu, I'm like, can they just do it already, you know? And I just feel like Umpilo doesn't deserve that. She's very light as a person. She deserves better than that. Usengcengeke manje, oh please ngiyakucela ngicela imbuzi baba wami, like you uMakhumalo no Musa yakhumbula ukuthi abekho right nje in life. So fanele amncenge. You know, Ingane Zesithembu can actually talk the whole day on just on one episode. So I'm just like, you know what, Amahle noTerelo bayikhethele, guys, ukuthi bazoshada nompumelelo wabo. And uTerelo is like, umpumelelo is never gonna change. But anginandaba ngizoshada naye noma ukuthi just nje because I'm Tswana and they don't take installments. Bafuna imali yonke ephelele amaTswana awanasikhathi sokudlala. Although social media feels like uMacele ukwenza something kule DNA, but at the same time I'm just like, uLwandle naye he's just agreeing to everything that this girl is saying. I'm like, now sisi please, if ingane akusiyona eyakaMseleki, please just leave it, you know. So buye siqhubeke guys, but ngifuna ukuma lapho kancane. Just let me know what you think about le ndaba yengane kaLwandle. Do you think also uSnehi ubaba wengane yakhe no one? Hayi mina ngazi guys, I'm not sure. But in any case guys, thank you so much for always loving this channel. Nginthanda over.